Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily add a collaborator on Instagram story. So if you want to update something to your Instagram story and you want to mention someone, you can just do these steps right here. So you can just open Instagram first, then you can just create your story as usual. So you can just click on this plus icon to open the Instagram story camera. Here you can choose a photo, video, or anything you want for your Instagram story. Here I'm going to just find a photo, for example. Okay, I'm going to use this photo for example, and to easily add collaborator, you can just use the mention feature, because unfortunately there is no direct feature to add collaborators to stories yet. So you can just achieve similar effect by using the mention sticker. The first method, you can use the mention sticker. So after you select photo or videos for the story, you can click on the sticker icon at the top and you'll see the mention stickers. So in here you can just find the username, select for, or you can just search for the collaborators username and add it to your story. For example, this one here, you can change how it looks or the color, and also adjust the size and position just like this. And you can just tap on your story to upload it, or you can also just use the text feature. You can click on this AA and use add and choose the username. Again, here you can change the phone, because on mention you cannot do that. Here you can change the phone and tap on done, and again you can resize and drag it to anywhere you like to put the position or to change the position. Okay, so while this method don't provide the same level of integration as a direct collaboration feature, they can effectively acknowledge and share content with your collaborators audience. Okay, so your collaborators can also repost this story if they want to. Okay guys, so that's all from me. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next videos. Bye!